जाएगा ये something very simple. How about a nice hello?
Hello.
Oh, very nice and sweet hello. Now do you want to tell everyone here your name?
Amigo.
Oh, do you catch that one more time? What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. Now, amigo, there are so many people here with us today. How would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
He's asking how are you? So how all of you doing today? Good? It's very nice to hear. Now, amigo here, he is a very smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Amigo. Okay, now not only can he count in English, he can also count in Chinese.
2, 3, 4,
Is very good in Chinese. Okay, now amigo, not only can he count, he can also sing. He can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song that he is going to sing is a local children's song entitled 客人来, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin.
客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在了，我是客人到家来被他。
There you go, 客人来 word for word. Well done, amigo. Now the second song that he's going to sing originates from Indonesia entitled Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat nuna jauh, sayang, sayang.
Hey, what a cheery song! Now the last song that he's going to sing is in English, but before he sings the song, I need to know whether anyone here is celebrating their birthday today. Anyone celebrating their birthdays? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyone else? 5. Anyone else? 6. Okay, how about the last section? Anyone else? 7, 8, 9. Okay, who didn't miss anyone else? For the 9 of you, amigo, let's sing then the special song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 9 of you, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now do bear in mind that parrots like amigo here, they are 1 in a million, and it takes a lot of dedication to do what he just did earlier. So it's time for amigo and myself to head back home. So can everyone just wave and say bye? Okay, your turn.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Well, let's give it up for Dara and amigo, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after seeing amigo perform, many of you might be next up to Europe, our Dalmatian Pelicans. Now back to Africa, birds with their long and sensitive supermodels of the world, our great time flamingos. Up there. our show. In a very short while, we will be asking all these birds back home and we'll be inviting you on stage to take photos with another group of flamingos. If you are interested, please do stay on for that. And if you'd like to bring home fond memories of our show, right up there my friend has cash cards going at a special price only right here at Pool 10 Phuket. Please do check them out. Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holding Foundation, continue to